Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Apple Watch Ultra band. First, identify the correct orientation of your band. Each end is designed to slide into a specific slot on the watch casing. Gently push the band into the slot until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely fastened. Repeat this process for the other side, ensuring both ends are firmly attached. This simple step ensures your watch is ready for comfortable and secure wear right from the start. Once your band is attached, it's time to pair your Apple Watch Ultra with your iPhone. Begin by powering on your watch by holding the side button for a few seconds. Next, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Your iPhone will then guide you through the pairing process. Simply position your iPhone over the watch's unique animation, and the devices will automatically connect. This seamless process gets you connected in just a few moments. Now that your watch is paired, let's personalize it. Dive into the Apple Watch app on your iPhone to explore a vast array of watch faces. You can customize complications to display information like weather, activity rings, or your next calendar event. Adjust notification settings to control what alerts you receive and how. You can also set up your daily fitness goals and health tracking preferences, making your watch truly yours in just a few taps. To keep your Apple Watch Ultra and its band in top condition, a little maintenance goes a long way. Regularly clean your band with a soft, damp cloth to remove any dirt or sweat, especially after workouts. Periodically check that both ends of the band are still securely clicked into place to prevent accidental detachment. Don't forget to explore different band styles for various activities, and always keep your watch software updated for the best performance and new features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.